Hi guys, this is Tony. After this train goes by, I'm afraid everything else is too late, so I do apologize for the inconvenience. So, oh wow, he's blowing the horns. Badass horn show there. Ha ha ha! None of you guys. Sorry for my commentary, but I just love that horn show here. Yeah. Anyways, ha ha ha! None of you guys. The horn show was a little careful there. Holy crap, that thing is flying. Wow, that was a good one there. Gates are going up already. Alright, there goes that one. Well, I'm afraid my time is up for tonight. Since the others are going to get here after 11 o'clock at night, so go figure there, but so I'll hear tomorrow morning and stuff. Bye.